Hi, Dr. Gary here on the road. We are dental practice brokers nationwide. I was a dentist for 25 years, and I've been doing the dental practice brokerage for 14 years now. So today's topic, is it worth dealing with a difficult seller, a very difficult seller, again, on a second practice for a sale? We'll talk about that. So anyway, as you know, we are now in 22 states. We have 10 employees, and we're available to you 363 days a year. We take off Christmas and Easter. We are available at 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So give us a call, even if you just want to chat. And, excuse me, getting really sunny out here in New Jersey. Time for glasses. So we're available to you. Give us a ring and we'll talk to you. Now, everything you're about to hear is for entertainment purposes only. Our phone number is 201-663-0935. The website is dentalpracticeguide.com or nationwidedentalpracticebrokers.com. Now, if you're thinking about selling to the big DSOs, definitely call us. They pay our commission, but we're independent of them. We help you choose the best ones, and it's going through a lot of turmoil in year 23, believe me. Funding, changes, dropping out, consolidation. You want to be with the right one, not someone who's going to fall apart. We know who the difficult players are anyway. So, give us a ring on that. We'll take care of all your commission. And if you do work with us, we will often can reimburse your attorney fees or give you a credit at closing that you could use for anything you want. But, use it for your attorney fees or whatever. We'll also do that. Okay? And that's based on certain criteria. So we have a situation where we had a really difficult seller on the first sale. I mean, they were difficult. First sale was like $1 million something. Now this sale's $1 million something. And now we got the same buyer who it didn't work out for them with the seller on the first sale, and they were kind of burned. And I don't know if they're going to work with them again. Now, the question is it worth it? Well, it really depends on the practice itself. You got to look at just to realize this seller eventually is going to be gone. You're going to have the practice. You're going to have the facility. They'll sign a contract. They can't bother you again. They're out of it. But it is hard. It is really hard. I understand that to deal with that. Because a difficult seller most likely is going to be difficult again. Now, sometimes the really difficult sellers know they were difficult. They know they're a difficult person. They may have been going through something psychologically, socially. There's a saying that everybody's on a longer road than you can imagine. So you just have to be aware of that. You really got to look at the parameters of the seller. But this time, when you look at it, you got to keep an eye open for all other practices. And just say this might not go through because you have a really difficult seller. But if you're able to put the deal together and you don't need the seller to work for you or anything like that, you're basically getting rid of them, it should be okay. You'll have contracts that will protect you, and you and your estate. And if it's a great practice, you got to look at it like that. It's still a seller's market. And that's some way in which you have to analyze this. That yes, this is going to be a difficult seller. Yes, they may be as difficult as they were last time. Is it worth the aggravation? Sometimes, it is, because you're going to get a great practice, probably. And if you have other opportunities, I say to you, keep your eye on those other opportunities. Keep a wide eye. And just keep this deal going forward. Don't bet everything on the deal, because the seller may pull the same thing again on you. We can't control that, but they might. They might pull the same thing. But you maybe won't be as disappointed this time because you sort of got it. Other people will say, I'm too frustrated. I'm never going to go to that seller again. They burnt me, and I'm not letting them burn me again. I'm not going to waste my time. I understand that. But those are the circumstances upon which you have a secondary practice you're looking at. You got your eyes open. You realize this seller may default on you. and just, burn you out again. I mean, we're used to that, but you as a buyer has only bought 1, 2, or 3 practices. It's really hard. We got that. So that's kind of where it's at with that. Don't get too frustrated. We'll make this thing happen. Okay, we got your back. Now, remember to sign the, if you haven't signed a non-disclosure agreement, get it so you get our practices every month, and we'll keep you posted. All right, we got the middle of the day, and we're going to have some fun. I'm going to stop at a great diner I know. Great matzo ball soup and a little home fries. Not fried, but kitchen, breakfast fries. Cooked on the grill. Have fun every day. I'm looking forward to this. I've been losing weight, so I need a treat. I'll see you. Bye.